welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly if you are new. Today's video is kind of going to be a compilation of different things. Sorry, I have a hair on my face. I kind of want to talk about something with you guys. So the first thing that I really want to do is to get something off of my chest as a YouTube creator, as someone who enjoys doing YouTube and finds it to be a hobby. So as the creator, I try to create content that personally I love and that I feel like you guys would love. However, I'm kind of stuck in a rut, and I would like to hear from other YouTubers how you guys get out of these ruts, or if you have been through the same thing that I'm fixing to tell you guys. I actually made a whole video on this about explaining how I feel as a YouTuber who feels like she's getting absolutely nowhere. But I don't think I'm going to post it. So I decided to kind of share with you guys here a little bit about my situation and how I feel. I know I have other YouTubers who watch my channel and who take my channel seriously and always comment, let me know that they're here. And thank you so much for all the support from everybody who comments, likes, things like that. It truly means a lot. But as a YouTuber, I feel like I'm, like I said, getting absolutely nowhere, and that is very hard to deal with. I've talked to my husband about this, and he's like, well, I don't understand why you let something bother you that is your hobby and something that you love. He's like, just, keep praying about it, keep doing what you're doing, and you'll eventually grow. Yes, I completely understand that. I have been doing YouTube for 6 years now. Since 2015 I've been doing YouTube, and I absolutely love it. Here and there I have taken breaks throughout the years, but every single time I start doing videos back, maybe after having a kid or after I've moved or things like that, I've always seen a progression in subscribers and views and things like that. And guys, within the past 8 months I have posted, I think it's right around 35 videos, and I have gained, honestly guys, maybe 3 or 4 subscribers, maybe 5 at the max. What in the world? That to me just doesn't even seem right. So I kind of need your help, your suggestions, your input on if this is something that you have gone through or maybe dealing with as well. I don't know if it's something to do with YouTube or if maybe my videos are just trash. I don't know. I really need y'all's input on this. For those of you who have stuck around and are taking in what I'm saying, help me, let me know your input please, because I'm getting very discouraged, and I don't want to be like that, because YouTube is something fun for me. I love to film, I love to edit, I love to do all of that stuff, so I don't want to make it seem like a chore to make videos. But it also gets frustrating because I could be spending this time that I am working on YouTube where I feel like I'm getting nowhere with my kids and with my family, and I just don't want to be discouraged with it anymore. Just let me know y'all's input on this. I would really appreciate it. And I also want to take you guys along with my day. It is, I think it's about 12 o'clock now. I did just get done filming a updated grocery haul. So I have been pretty busy this morning with kids and a grocery haul and filming and things like that. But I just got done eating lunch. To all of my military friends, if you have never ever had a sub from the commissary, oh my goodness, they are absolutely amazing. So far, everywhere that we get subs from the commissary, from every place that we have been, it is perfect. It is so good. So I would definitely try that. I just got done eating the rest of my sandwich from yesterday, my sub. So yes, just thought I'd share that with you guys. And I've got some more things that I'm wanting to do. I know I need to go get some laundry done, so that's what I'm gonna go do now.
We're on a journey, look Looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now.
Okay guys, so it has been a little bit since I've done this clothes. I still got some clothes in here, but little Addie Mae, come here, camera. Little Addie Mae woke up, but luckily I did get all the clothes folded. I just haven't got them all put away. But here's little Addie Mae. She is starting to feel so much better. Bless her heart. I'm pretty sure we had a virus. She had a virus, I'm pretty sure. But I think we are getting better, so that's good. All right guys, so as you can see, my kitchen, well, my like dining room area is, minus this mess, is very, very bland. There's nothing really going on but the table and chairs. We got a high chair over there for Addie Mae, but I wanted to show you what I'm sort of using to make subtle touches of fall. I'm not a huge decor person by any means, but I wanted to share with you guys what I do have out. And I got this pumpkin yesterday. Let me bring it over here. I got this pumpkin yesterday from Target, and it is $1. It's just a mini ceramic pumpkin. If you guys can hear a little baby bum, I do apologize. I got this from Walmart. It just says blessed, and it's got a little bit of detailing in there. And I can't remember if I got this eucalyptus little decor from Walmart or Target, but I absolutely love eucalyptus. I love it for all year round. So I just stuck it in here to add some greenery to the look. And this candle is from Target. If you watched my recent video, you will see that this candle obviously doesn't really work well, but it looks really pretty, so I decided to leave it out for a decorative look. And I got this little, I'm not sure exactly what you'd call it, but it's a decorative vessel, okay, and it was $5 from Target as well. I got both this and this at the little dollar spot at Target. So I highly, highly, highly recommend going and checking their dollar spot out if you want some cheap but cute fall decorative items. And that's pretty much it. That's what it looks like. I don't really have a whole lot of decorative items. I'm not a huge decorator. I wish I was. Maybe I will be more in the future when my kids get older. But who knows. But yes, I just wanted to show you what I picked up. Okay guys, so I am, you guys can't see what's on my counter except for the top of the sugar, but I'm fixing to make some homemade banana bread. And I saved some pictures of a recipe that I want to do. I'm super excited. And I'm just trying to get all of my ingredients that I need right quick. Oh dang, you know what? Oh, here it is. So I need to get the rest of my ingredients for this recipe. I'm going to take you guys along with me as I film this. I probably won't go step by step. I'll probably show you me making it and do like a voiceover of what all I use. And then I want to show you guys the finished product. I'm super excited. We have exactly 3 large bananas that have gone really bad really fast. Like I literally just bought these, I feel like just the other day. But anyways, let me know if produce like bananas go bad quickly in your house as well as mine. But yeah, I've got some bananas that I need to get rid of, so I'm going to go ahead and make some banana bread. The ingredients you will need for this banana bread are 1 stick of butter melted. I popped it into the microwave for about 20 seconds. Next, I added 3 large ripe bananas and mixed the bananas and butter together. Next, I added 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract together and mixed these ingredients very well before adding the dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, I used 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And for the salt and the cinnamon, I just kind of put it in my hand and measured it out that way, and it turned out just fine. Okay guys, so fix to put this in my oven. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I have made banana bread a few times, but honestly, this one smells and tastes the best, and I haven't even ate it yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in the oven. I went ahead and preheated the oven to 350, and it said to heat it up for 45 to 55 minutes. Usually it takes about 55 or more for us. I don't know if it's because of the pan or what, but I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in the oven. Alright guys, that was it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and let me know in the comments section down below if you have tried this recipe out or not, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all!